Today I'm going to show you what a KnowNow installation entails. It all starts with a SCAR unit. SCAR stands for Standalone Capable and an Historian and is the main character in the manufacturing intelligence hardware story. The SCAR unit is installed on the production floor in a strategic location. Don't worry, the experts from TechCubed will advise on the most appropriate location for your operation. Next, an MMI unit is connected to the SCAR. MMI stands for Machine Monitoring Interface and is responsible for sensing the production output. An MMI unit is required for each machine or section that you want to monitor. Connecting the SCAR to your existing computer network enables you to view and receive data via devices such as cell phone and laptops. VNC and Wi-Fi are supported, but if you don't have an existing network or one is not practical, KnowNow can be configured to store data on a USB flash drive. KnowNow is 100% scalable, so you can easily add additional SCAR units as required to suit your manufacturing intelligence journey. The free-to-use KnowNow Lite desktop software is then used to extract the data that you want for analysis or reporting, for use with your favorite spreadsheet program. No expensive or complicated reporting software is needed. The dedicated team from TechCubed will also provide you with standard reports based on their years of experience in manufacturing. You can create your own custom reports or you can request these to be developed by TechCubed.
The easiest to install manufacturing intelligence hardware system available can be fully operational and increasing your profits within 4 weeks. Don't miss your chance to take the lead in your market sector. Contact us now to start your journey to manufacturing excellence.